Hey guys, I'm Jay from Southern Ontario. I'm one of the product testers for Canadian Tire, and I've had a couple of weeks here to be able to play around with this 6A 12-volt battery charger, the simple series that they supplied me with here to be able to give you guys a good review on what kind of product it is. So again, it's a 12-volt 6A series. There is three series from my understanding of these. There's a 3A, there's a 6A, and there's a 10A. If you're only looking at, the odd time you're maintaining or doing very, very light charging, you're not common to use a charger, maybe a 3A might be the way you might go. If you're an everyday person, kind of like me, where I do work on a lot of stuff and, dealing with snowmobiles, or I'm dealing with four-wheelers, or I'm dealing with cars and that, and I'm doing a regular base of a charging, a 6A series would be good for you. If you're using on an extreme basis, or if you have a lot of batteries and stuff, or you're looking for a little bit faster charge, the 10A might be a better pick for you. But again, I have the 6A here. This is the one I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today. So far, it's been an absolute fantastic product, straight up. And again, I'm going to specify, guys, this is a battery charger maintainer. This is not a booster. If you want a booster, then Canadian Tire does make a similar unit to this that does do the boost, that has the proper cables and everything on it. This does not boost. This will only charge, and this will only maintain. So, but it's got six different selections on it. Everything's automatic. Simple is what it is. Basically, you can hook it up. It does everything for you for being 12-volt battery wise. It's got six different charging sections on it for what that battery needs. It automatically analyzes that battery, and it decides whether it needs to go to a deep charge, or if it's, whatever with the voltage it does, it automatically figures this out for you. You don't have to change nothing. Same with maintenance-free batteries, anything like that, where you set to select the proper things, and that you don't do that stuff. It's automatically done automatically for you. So one of the best things about this product is it is actually a modular product. So modular meaning it does have the connectors to it. So, right now I have this selected to the back of hooked up to the back of my snowmobile here. So I can unplug it. It comes with two cords for you. So you actually have your normal alligator clips, okay? And what's great about these guys is that the fact that it is modular, Canadian Tire actually sells this stuff separately for you. So if you wear these out, you just go down the store, you're not buying a new unit, you just replace your alligator clips. Again, it's not for boosting, guys. The wiring isn't actually not that bad. It's pretty thick for what it is. The alligator clips, they do have nice springs to them, okay? But if these things wear out, which they do, if you use this all the time, these things do eventually wear out. Springs get weak, or the connections inside start breaking up, and a lot of times we said to go in and fix them all the time. Yeah, just go down to the store and just buy a new one. It's awesome. So the best part I find of this thing is the fact that, especially since I do snowmobile and do a lot of the motorsport stuff. I also do a lot of classic car stuff here as well, and they actually sell a bolt-in style. So, and you have one that comes in the kit with you. So basically, you bolt it right to your battery. So if you're like I said, if you're a snowmobiler or four-wheeler, maybe you've got a motorcycle, a lawn tractor, regular tractor, or classic car, regular car, or something, it works perfect. You just hook it up to the battery, and you can push it out the grill, or you can do what I've done here. So I just hooked mine to the battery here, and I just tuck it in my back of my bag here when I'm out snowmobiling, and it's got the cover on it. So basically, I just hook it back up in. I don't have to worry about crap getting inside of it if it comes out of my bag. Not a big deal. And my battery's underneath the seat. It seems pretty easy to get at, but I just don't want to do it. This is just simpler. It's just easier. I come in from snowmobiling. I'm done for the season, done for the night. I'm probably tired anyways by the time I'm done. I don't want to take my seat and everything else off to put a battery maintainer on it. I literally just pull this out of my bag. I pull it off. I grab it, and hook it up, and hey, look at that, I'm charging, right? So And again, like I said, guys, if you're classic cars and you just put it in the garage for the winter time and you got a car cover or something on it, same thing. You can literally just grab this cord and hook it to your battery, put it through your grill. And in the summertime when you're cruising, just take the cord, wrap it back up, and zip tie it off if you don't need to hook it up in the summertime. Perfect. So if you're looking for gifts and stuff, guys, perfect. Anybody, especially in the motorsports, stuff like that, these maintainers and stuff, they work perfect for gifts. They're not that expensive for what they are. And, if you're not sure what to buy somebody, like I said, this is the perfect stuff to do it. So yeah, I'm Jay from Ontario, and I 100% approve of this Simple Series product, and see you next time.